Fans are waiting for the 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra, an off-road icon, and it will not disappoint with its updated design and improved performance. With its enlarged proportions, enhanced power, and contemporary features, this adored little SUV is prepared to make a big splash, capable of effortlessly navigating even the most difficult terrains. The increased breadth is one of the most noticeable changes for the 2025 Jimny Sierra. This modification enhances the internal space while simultaneously enhancing the vehicle's daring and unique appearance. With greater room for passengers and more luggage capacity, you can bring more gear on your trips thanks to the increased width, which also improves cabin comfort. With its ample room and plush interior, the 2025 Jimny Sierra is the perfect vehicle for any outdoor adventure, be it a weekend camping getaway or a challenging off-road tour. The 2025 model year also marks the debut of an intriguing new feature, a hybrid powertrain. This innovative powertrain configuration integrates an electric motor with a gasoline engine, increasing both power and torque while simultaneously decreasing fuel consumption. Thanks to its hybrid technology, the Jimny Sierra can provide powerful performance without harming the environment. You can confidently tackle difficult and distant environments with increased fuel economy, knowing that your vehicle can keep up with your demands. Jimny Sierra's signature boxy shape is carried over into the 2025 model year, but Suzuki has given this retro style a contemporary twist, making it look more aggressive and sophisticated. The front grille is now larger, and LED technology has been integrated into the headlights and taillights. All of these upgrades make the Jimny Sierra stronger and more capable across a wide range of terrains, and they keep it looking good while doing it. According to the latest rumors, the official introduction of the 2025 Jimny Sierra is scheduled for that year. Even though we are still waiting for official word from Suzuki, off-road fans can feel the excitement building. With its promise of an exciting ride that blends retro style with contemporary conveniences, the revised Jimny Sierra is sure to be a hot commodity. In your opinion, how does the 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra stack up? Is the prospect of improved functionality and brand new features exciting to you? As we near the formal debut of this thrilling new model, we want you to share your thoughts and remain tuned for further information.